today. Today on the Flippin' Mike show, we're gonna be working on that Arctic Cat. All we had to do is get some gas line and a filter and drop it in there, run it down, because it ran off of a gas tank on my last one on part 1. Get it nice and super clean and take care of it. Now, talking about super clean, I've talked about this before, I think on my wife's channel, Out Country Sales. Go check it out if you haven't seen it. But I'm going to be doing a super clean giveaway. So if I see some interest in people saying, hey, I want some free super clean stuff, comment down below. If I get more than 5 people saying they want free super clean stuff, my very next video, I will do a super clean giveaway. So whoever wants some free super clean stuff, you know, check it out, comment below, and let me know. But if you don't, we got our line right here and our filter. You got to go into this bad boy, which is not very hard at all, considering there's a little petcock, goes into the gas tank, right down yonder. You can't see my hand from over there, but I'll show you from the other side. Let's get to work. Alright, 3 things we need. The line to drop down into the gas tank. Right here. This little guy. He's a little screen that sits down in there in the gas. You put that on there. Boom. See how nice that goes on? Then we're going to cut the line to size. First I'm going to drop it in and measure how far it's going to take till it hits the bottom of the gas tank. Then I will cut this line, put this little petcock guy on it, slide that in the line, screw it back in. Then we'll have a brand new fresh line inside this gas tank. Now we have reinstalled the line inside the tank. We'll come over here and unhook my little gas tank setup trial, and we'll hook a line from that little petcock down there, this little guy right here, and we'll try to fire it up. She fires up, we'll finish putting it back together, put the belt on it, and take it for a ride. If you watch this little tube right here, you can see the fuel pump is working at sucking gas. Now we're going to put some really good gas in here and see if we can get this thing to start. Got some fresh premium yesterday. Time for some fresh premium to go in. We have a gas leak, and we're not revving over 4,500 RPM. So the clutch isn't engaging all the way. Our gas leak is right here. There's a hole in the tank. So I'm gonna try to get some epoxy to fix that. And we're gonna see if we can clean out these carbs a little bit and get the motor to rev up some more, because it's probably not a clutch issue. It's probably a motor rev issue. If we can get the rev over 4,500 RPM, because clutches usually engage around 5,000 RPM, I'm pretty confident we can get it to move. So we got started, we got it running, we have it idling. Now we just need to get it to move. Catch me on the next video. It will be part 3 of the Arctic Cat project. Thank you guys for watching.